Gaur egun, hemengo Euskal Herriko ikasleek badugu susmoa interes handirik ez dutela ikerkuntza karreran. Susmoa baino, unibertsitatean jaitziera nabarmena egon da ikerkuntzarekin harremana duten karrerekin. Orduan, pentsatu genuen zergatik ez ikerkuntza mundu hori ikasleei hurbiltzea.
I have to say honestly that one factor in the decision-making process was also related to research programs.
Ez dakit medikuntza edo biokimika ikasi nahi aldudan. Bi haien artean nago eta ez daindik ez dakit. Tarlako gauzek asko laguntzen dute.
If students of 16, 17 years, they are interested to go into science, to study biology or genetics and biochemistry, to think ahead. And it is like, think what you want to do later, after your studies. The goal should not be studying and get your degree, but to think later as well. And because the options that are available after that, a PhD, or do you want to go to a biotech company? And depending on that a little bit, you may need to make certain choices.
There is Alessandra from Italy who says to a big population on some
esan dutenean zein ezaugarri izan behar dituzun, ezin duzula inoiz, paziente izan behar duzula, eta ere gauzak behin eta berriz saiatu behar dituzula, eta horrelako gauzak izatea zuk esan dezakezu, ni horrelakoa naiz, edo ez naiz horrelakoa, orduan jakin, ia lan hori zuretzat egokia den ala ez.
If you study science, you need to be interested. You need to wonder about nature in first instance, to be open-minded. You need to have imagination as well. Life of a researcher can every now and then be a little bit frustrating in the sense that it can take a long time for interesting results to come out of your research, so you need to be patient, you should not give up, you should not have prejudices and so on.
Fortunately, from so many different places.
Niri oso interesgarri behitzen zaidana da, asko hitz egiten dutela dibertsifikazioari buruz. Askotan atzerrera jatera lan egitea eta hainbat pertsona ezberdinekin lan egitea nire ustez aberastasuna ematen dizu eta oso interesgarria da eta agian da oso deigarria nire ustez horretan lan egiteko.
For a PhD, right now there are excellent opportunities and funding opportunities as well to perform a PhD abroad, be it in another European country or United States. These opportunities are available, and more so for the best students. But that doesn't mean that I would just recommend that as such. There's also fantastic opportunities to perform a PhD in the Basque Country. There are absolutely very good laboratories here in the Basque Country that can train PhD students to the highest standards and can convert them in top-level scientists.
Ikastetxeei aukera ematen diegu haiek aukeratzeko zein espezialitate mota jaso nahi duten hitzaldia. Egia esan da, gehienek eskatzen dute esperimental zientzietan edo medizinan ematea. Orduan hori izaten da, ingelesez, 45 minutuko iraupena, gutxi gora bera, gero ikasleek aukera dute galderak egiteko eta holan.
What personal advice would you give in case we wanted to be researchers like you?
We need to be competitive. But with that, I want to say that...
I was very delighted with this audience. I saw that the students were really reacting on what I was saying by their facial expressions and so. And I was even more delighted with the response I got after my talk, because this were students that were really very interested, and they made very good questions, some questions that challenged me as well. So generally, I was very, very impressed with this group of students.